Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into some of IKEA's most innovative and stylish home solutions. Stick around as we explore the details behind 11 amazing IKEA products that blend modern design with everyday practicality. Let's get started. Beautifully designed, rotating serving tray that enhances the functionality of any dining table. It's crafted from a combination of durable material with a smooth, even surface for easy cleaning. The Lazy Susan sits on a ball-bearing mechanism that allows for seamless 360-degree rotation, making it ideal for family-style meals, buffets, or kitchen countertops for organizing spices and condiments. SNURRAD is not only a practical piece, but also adds a touch of elegance to communal dining. The STARKVIND Air Purifier is a cutting-edge home device that improves indoor air quality by removing common airborne pollutants, including dust, pollen, and pet dander. Available in two versions, freestanding or integrated into a side table, the STARKVIND features a minimalist Scandinavian design with a smooth finish in black or white, fitting effortlessly into any room. It uses a multi-stage filtration system, including a HEPA filter and a gas filter for removing odors and harmful particles. The device is also compatible with IKEA's smart home app, allowing users to control air quality settings remotely. Silent operation and energy efficiency make it perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, or offices, especially for individuals with allergies or those living in urban environments with poor air quality. The ÖVNING multifunctional ergonomic footrest is an essential tool for those spending long hours sitting at desks, designed with ergonomics in mind. Its main feature is an adjustable tilt mechanism that allows users to set the angle to their preferred position, promoting proper posture and relieving pressure on the legs and lower back. The footrest is made of high-quality, durable plastic with a textured, anti-slip surface for added stability. It's compact and lightweight, making it easy to transport between the home and office. The STÄNKREGN LED ring lamp is designed to provide high-quality lighting for tasks requiring precision, such as makeup application, photography, or video conferencing. The circular lamp features built-in LED lights that emit soft, even lighting, minimizing harsh shadows and glare. The lamp has adjustable brightness levels, with a dimmable option to suit various lighting needs. A flexible gooseneck or adjustable stand allows you to position the ring lamp at the perfect angle. Its sleek, modern design makes it a versatile addition to home offices, bedrooms, or vanity areas. The long-lasting, energy-efficient LEDs reduce electricity usage while providing bright and natural light, making the STÄNKREGN perfect for anyone who needs consistent lighting for detailed tasks. The INVALLNING cart is a multifunctional storage unit on wheels, designed for flexibility and mobility. This compact cart features 3 spacious shelves, each made of sturdy steel or metal mesh, ideal for storing everything from kitchen appliances to craft supplies or office essentials. With smooth rolling casters, it can easily be moved from room to room, providing instant portable storage in tight spaces. The powder-coated steel frame is available in neutral colors, such as black or white, blending seamlessly with contemporary or industrial decor styles. The cart is perfect for small apartments, dorms, or workspaces, offering extra storage where permanent shelving isn't possible. The minimal design ensures that it fits comfortably in kitchens, bathrooms, or even living rooms. The SOLVINDEN LED table lamp is an eco-friendly, solar-powered lighting option designed to bring cozy, ambient light to both indoor and outdoor spaces. Its small, portable frame makes it perfect for balconies, gardens, patios, or even bedside tables. KABOMBA LED wall lamp is a versatile lighting fixture that combines modern aesthetics with practical lighting solutions. This compact lamp mounts easily to the wall and is equipped with energy-efficient, built-in LEDs that provide bright yet soft ambient light. The minimalist design features a sleek, geometric shape that complements contemporary interiors, while its slim profile makes it an excellent choice for small spaces or hallways. The TROTTEN utility cart is designed for maximum versatility and mobility, perfect for dynamic workspaces or homes that require adaptable storage solutions. The cart features several adjustable shelves, offering flexibility for various storage needs, whether it's for office supplies, kitchen items, or personal belongings. Made from durable metal and equipped with smooth rolling casters, TROTTEN can easily be moved across rooms, making it suitable for shared spaces. Its clean, minimalist design is ideal for modern, functional interiors. The TROTTEN series is well known for modularity, and the cart can be combined with other TROTTEN units to create a coordinated workspace or storage system. The ENHET wall frame with shelves is a modular shelving system designed for flexible storage and display solutions in kitchens, bathrooms, or living areas. Made from sturdy steel and wood composite materials, it features open shelving that provides easy access to everyday essentials, from kitchenware to personal care products. The minimalist, industrial-inspired design allows the ENHET frame to blend seamlessly into modern or Scandinavian-style interiors. The system is customizable, meaning shelves can be arranged to fit your specific storage needs, and additional units can be added over time. Whether you're organizing spices, toiletries, or decorative items, this wall frame is a practical and aesthetic solution for maximizing vertical space. RAMSELE Pendant Lamp. The RAMSELE Pendant Lamp is an elegant and modern lighting fixture designed to make a statement in any room. The unique construction features layered, fabric-covered panels or metal elements that create a stunning light diffusion effect, casting soft and ambient light throughout the space. The height-adjustable cord allows it to be tailored to different ceiling heights, making it perfect for dining rooms, living rooms, or bedrooms. Available in neutral tones like white, gray, or black, the RAMSELE blends with a variety of interior styles, from minimalist to contemporary. This pendant lamp is both a functional lighting source and a decorative element, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. RAGGARV Neck Lumbar Pillow. The RAGGARV Neck Lumbar Pillow is a compact and ergonomic pillow designed to provide support and relief to the neck and lower back. Whether you're working from home, traveling, or simply relaxing, this pillow helps maintain proper posture and alleviate pressure points. The pillow is filled with memory foam or soft microbeads, contouring to your body's shape while offering firm support. Its outer cover is often made from soft, breathable fabrics like cotton or polyester, making it comfortable for extended use. The lightweight and portable design allows you to take it on the go, ensuring that you have comfort and support wherever you are. That wraps up our tour of these incredible IKEA products. From air purifiers to utility carts, IKEA continues to offer smart, stylish solutions for every corner of your home. Let us know in the comments which product caught your eye, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more home improvement tips and product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.